another wacky music lesson from Meep, except this time we are going to deal with the actual notes that are being sharpened in the scale. So, like for instance, the F from C to G major scale is sharped, right? But from G to C, the F sharp is flatted. So it has like flat symbol for these, just so you can kind of see the pattern. C, F, G, D, A, E, B, sharp, and then F sharp, and these are the notes that are sharped, right? And these are notes that are like flatted, but like, they're flat to natural rather than, natural to sharped, basically. But it's the same concept, being sharped half a step in that order, and then this is flatted down half a step for each of these steps. So like from G to C, the F sharp is flatted to F, right? The B from C to F, the B is flatted to B flat in the F major scale, if that even makes sense, all this stuff. So you can see here, it's like the reverse happens, like in order the sharps and flats, like, F to B flat, F to B flat, the E is sharped, or the E is flatted, and then B flat to F, the E is sharped, or the E flat is sharp to E, if that makes sense. Okay, so with that said, with the actual notes being sharp, they actually mirror each other on the bass clef, is what I noticed. So check it out. This is the order of the sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and then finally B sharp in the 7 major scales with sharps going in order of ascending sharps or increasing sharps in the scale. So check it out. Like, if you read it like going up the opposite direction, or if you like turn it around upside down, right? So this would be that upside down: F, C, G, D, A, E, B. F, C, G, D, A, E, B, right? Right? So pretty cool, huh? But it gets even better. So this is the sharps right here, yeah? So now if we were to actually flip the music clef upside down, as you can see, like the top becomes the bottom and vice versa, right? So this note, which was on the bottom for the F, is a B. Now it's on the bottom for the F, right? So check this out. This, if we were to like read these notes flipped on the same clef upside down, we would get B, E, A, D, G, C, and F, or the notes that are flatted in order for the flats major music scales. So check it out. This is sharps: F, C, G, D, A, E, B, which is basically the notes sharped in order. They're reversed of the notes that are flatted in order, going the other way. And if you turn it around, we got the same thing here, but here, B. So this is turned around, right? So this is like the flats right here, B, E, A, D, da, 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 right? And then this is the sharps. Now if we turn this around right here, where my finger's at, or my thumb, now we're going to read this turned around. What is it? Instead of the flats, it's F, C, G, D, A, E, and B flat. So it's the reversed. And of course this read upside down: B, E, A, D, G, C, F. It's the reverse of each other. In fact, it gets even kookier. So if we were to start in the middle of the scale, the middle note being sharp to flat, at 4 sharps, 4 flats, it's both D flat, D sharp, right? So let's flip it around. So the bottom line is 3 sharps, top line is 5 sharps, right? So this is like mirrored upside down here. And then if we were to read these two are mirrored. Like, this is the third line, or the second line from the top. This is the second line from the bottom, or third line from the top, right? So those are mirrored, C and E, and then the top note, like just above the top line for these and just below the bottom line, right? So this kind of like mirrors onto itself, if you will. So lots of mirroring stuffage going on there. Hopefully that was a snazzy time for you too, and confusing.